These are buses 52 and 53. These are the smallest electric buses we have in our fleet. I took the liberties to hitting the hood release. So here is the engine compartment. This will be your battery for your wheelchair and for accessories, I guess. Down here, inside this monstrosity, is probably the motor for the bus. You have no oils to check, but you have power steering fluid. This case looks like brake fluid. And I'm guessing this is power steering or... yeah, it might be power steering fluid because the transmission's a transaxle. I have a very small radiator here. And looking through the dash, it looks like it's a larger radiator because you got a lot of barrage of fans. You got two large fans here underneath. For these, they plug into the front to charge. There's a little thing you turn here, and it's got two different ports. We use this type power port here, but then there's a secondary type for, I guess, other locations to plug in with that. We don't use that here, we just use this one. One size fits all for all of our buses. The crossover lights are inset as opposed to being flush with the body. They're actually inset into the body. Coming into the driver's compartment, it has a manual window. Here's some of your gauges. Finally figured out here's the door control, some lights. I haven't driven this bus yet, so I don't know what all the buttons mean. I know that this is a screen that tells you what your range is and if you're full. Over to the other side, green wheels, green bumpers. That means electric in California now, I guess, if it's a Bluebird. Oh yeah, even the clearance lights are inside, just noticed that. Coming in the entrance door, you have railing on each side. You got a large area behind the driver to store your backpack or purse or bags or whatever. This has a AM/FM stereo with a CD player and a PA system. Fire extinguishers on the floor, along with the trash can. Reflectors behind the driver. It's California, so our stop sign's also behind the driver. First aid kit, body cleanup kit. This bus has capacity for 18 passengers. It's California, so we have seatbelts. And one wheelchair position. Wheelchair ramps over there. Bus has air conditioning. Floor heater down there. Place for tie downs. Shot of the bus coming forward. Man, that's a big flat of nothing up there. So there's a cubby hole over here for storing something. This bus is a, oh, I'm corrected, it's a 20 passenger with 1 wheelchair. It's a 2021. Continuing down the side. Wheelchair ramp, very tall doors. Directions to operate your wheelchair ramp. And the rear emergency exit's inset, just like everything else is on this bus. So there you are, bus number 53, a 2021 small school bus. Star arm on the side. There you go.